Hello traders, this is McBillion. Today is October 13, 2015, and let's talk about the market. Let's start with the spider. The spider, as you can see here, is very near to major resistance, and this is major resistance because it was major support back when it was trading sideways for 8 months. You can see here when it break down really bad. We're talking about almost 20 points in the spider. Then it's trading right now inside this box. You can clearly see the box right here. I'm gonna point it out, this box. This is the box. So the top of the box is 203 and the bottom is 187. So many will trade only if we break out about 203 or if we break down below 287, but you can also trade if it goes and break out the 203 and break down again below that 203. You can enter and it give you a lot of high probability that it's gonna test down again 187. So that's another way you can trade right there. Right now I'm neutral, I'm 100% cash, and I'm ready to play the earnings. Just watch him. I'm gonna also show you Apple right here. Looks like it's breaking out this apex of the triangle wedge. So I think it's going to just move sideways until it gets to the earnings report, which is October 27. We're also going to play this one since it's on a watch list. Right now, I'm neutral. I think it's going to just move sideways right here and wait for those numbers. Now let's talk about another one that I want to show you is Nike. This one is a monster. You can see here the trend. Inside this major channel, it break out the channel, it break out major Fibonacci resistance, and now is right there at Fibonacci 127. You see, it tests today 127. This is the kind of trade that I don't like to trade because it's over the top, it's overextended. So when you have a trade like this, a stock that is trending like that, you have to buy the dips. You have to wait patiently until it goes down. I will buy if it goes to 117. I will buy right there. I will no buy right here. And another trade could be if we test the top of the channel, which it was gonna be around 120. Could be a nice another entry, and you can put a stop at the 20 simple moving average. But right now I'm just gonna be watching. This one is not gonna include it in the watch list for the earnings, since this one's gonna report in December. This already report, and it was actually a really good report. Now let's talk about this is the Fire Eye. This is a monster stock that moves very nice, but it's also dangerous and risky since it doesn't respect indicators or price action. Right here you can see this nice wedge, and that's something that you can trade right there, but you have to be careful moving your stop when the market, when this breakout right here, move your stop, take profits little by little, because this one you can see when it goes up really fast, but it also, when it goes down really fast. So this is a weird creature that you need to trade very carefully, because I bet you that many people go broke trading this kind of stock. So I'm gonna give you this falling wedge so you can put it in your watch list. If you break out this wedge, the first one target is $39. Then from there you can see this is some resistance right there, this Fibonacci. There's no major resistance until $49 or $50. So this could be a nice trade right here, and it can run really nice if you break out 39, starting from the breakout of the falling wedge. So it's a nice one to have in your watch list, but be careful. Now let's talk about Facebook. We have been watching Facebook for a long time. Last time we traded, we got a nice 60% profits. I closed the trade because it's just moving inside this triangle. You can see the triangle right here inside this major trend. And I think if you break out $95, I think it's gonna test the $98, $99 before the earnings. If the numbers are good, it's gonna test the top of the triangle around 105. So that's my take on Facebook. Wait for 95. If you break out, you can trade, because the earnings is gonna come in November, the beginning of November. So you have a lot of days here. If you break out 95 to get a nice trade to 98.99, possible 105. Facebook is bullish. Now let's talk about Intel. This is one that is on my watch list. It's going to report tomorrow after market close, and I wanted to invite you to join the McBillion plays because it's going to be awesome. Every quarter I play the earnings, and the last quarter we made 1,500% profits, and the big winners were the coffee company GMCR, Apple, Tesla, Intel, and we have many others. Of course, we got losers because this game is about to play a bunch of stock companies for earnings, and sometimes we get half of them are losers, but the key is to get big winners, winners that make 500,000% profits, 2,000% profits. That's the key. So if you join McBillion and you trade this, you have to trade all of them. I trade between 15 to 21 companies. You put the same amount of money in each company. Let's say you put $1,000 on each, and we buy the position before the market close usually, and just wait for the next day to close it, or to add to the position if it's need. So that's how I play the earnings. I have a nice offer on the website, so please check. It's only $299 lifetime. If you don't get this offer, you will have to pay $100 to join McBillion. So it is a nice, very nice offer, lifetime membership, and you can start tomorrow to play the earnings. I have Intel in my watch list, and the way I trade is I watch price action, I watch volume, I watch past earnings reports, I watch the tape on the auctions, and I get high probability trades. So please check it out. This is everything for today. Trade on.